We'll actually source all of the parts beforehand. Once again, so kind of with the whole custom proprietary software, a lot of times we feel like the off-the-shelf stuff is really generic and not tailored enough to what we need to do.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're trying to kick stuff out so quick, we have to modify a lot of what's already out there. So we will actually source all of your parts during the quoting phase just to make sure that everything is available. And we'll actually use that using some proprietary software that utilizes Octopart API.
Oh, Octopart.
Yep.
Good job. You know, I just had Chris Calvi, who runs Octopart. Obviously, they're owned by Altium, but they run really also very quite independently. And he was talking about this very thing, that they created APIs that could drop into anybody's system, and here you guys are, one of those companies. Yeah. I had no idea. So that's very fun. And yeah, because normally if you don't have something like Octopart, that process it just takes so long. It's painful. So.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So painful.
The Octopart API integration has actually been extremely smooth and almost flawless. We use this to automate the process, and I think beforehand it used to take probably 1 hour or so if you wanted to really source like a really decent BOM. Now with all of this integration and everything else, we can do it in as little as 1 minute.
What?
Yeah, it's absolutely insane. Our average is about 5 to 7 minutes, which is still pretty good bragging rights, but so.
Wow.
But yeah, the Octopart team has really made an extremely useful tool and a great example of where companies in the industry should really be heading towards.